Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Cozy English Podcast, where learning English feels calm and easy. I'm Sophie.
Hi, Sophie. Hello, everyone.
Hi, Mike. Beautiful day today, isn't it?
It really is. The sun is shining, the sky is blue. It's perfect. I love days like this.
Me too. It makes me want to go outside and take some pictures. The light is so nice when it's sunny.
And look at that. We're already doing it.
Doing what?
Talking about the weather. It's the first thing we said to each other.
You're right. And that's actually perfect, because today we're learning how to talk about the weather in English.
This is such a useful topic. In English-speaking countries, people talk about weather all the time.
They really do. It's the most common way to start a conversation. Nice weather today, or it's cold outside. Everyone says these things.
And it's easy. You don't need complicated words, just simple phrases that everyone uses.
So today, we'll learn weather vocabulary and simple phrases you can use every day. First, let's talk about why do English speakers talk about weather so much?
It's a safe topic. Weather is something everyone experiences. It's not personal, it's not difficult, it's just easy small talk.
Right. When you meet a neighbor or wait in line at a cafe or see a colleague, you can always comment on the weather.
And it's a good conversation starter. After you talk about weather, you can move to other topics naturally.
It breaks the ice. It makes the conversation comfortable.
In places like the UK, Canada, and the US, weather small talk is everywhere. People do it without even thinking.
So if you learn these phrases, you'll sound very natural in English conversations.
Let's learn some basic weather words. Sophie, what are the most common ones?
Well, sunny means the sun is out. Rainy means it's raining. Cloudy means there are clouds in the sky.
Then there's windy when there's a lot of wind, and snowy when it's snowing.
For temperature, we say hot when it's very warm, cold when it's very cool, and warm or cool for in between.
So you might say it's sunny and warm today, or it's cloudy and cold.
Exactly. You can combine weather and temperature. It's rainy and cool, or it's sunny but cold.
These words are simple but so useful.
They really are. Now, let's learn some simple phrases you can say about the weather.
The easiest one is it's plus the weather word, like it's sunny or it's raining.
You can also say, nice weather today, or beautiful day. These are very common.
If the weather is bad, you can say terrible weather, or it's so cold outside.
And here's a useful question. How's the weather? That's how you ask about weather.
Or you can turn it into a comment and a question at the same time. For example, beautiful day, isn't it? Or it's cold today, isn't it?
Oh, that isn't it at the end makes it friendly. It invites the other person to agree.
Exactly. It's a conversation starter.
Just describe the weather and add isn't it.
Sophie, let's talk about seasons. The weather changes with each season, right?
Yes, there are 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, which some people call autumn, and winter.
In spring, the weather gets warmer. Flowers start growing. It's often sunny, but sometimes rainy.
In summer, it's hot and sunny. This is the warmest season. People go to the beach, they spend time outside.
In fall or autumn, it gets cooler. The leaves change color. It's a beautiful season.
And in winter, it's cold. In some places, it snows. People wear warm clothes and stay inside more.
What's your favorite season, Sophie?
I love spring. The weather is perfect, not too hot, not too cold. What about you?
I like fall. I love the cool weather and the colorful leaves.
Weather really affects our life, doesn't it? It changes what we do and how we feel.
It does. When it's sunny, I feel happy and energetic. I want to go outside, be active.
Same. Sunny weather makes me want to take pictures, go for walks. But when it's rainy, I feel more calm, quiet.
Rainy days are good for staying inside, reading, relaxing.
Weather also affects what we wear. When it's hot, we wear light clothes. When it's cold, we need jackets and sweaters.
And it affects our activities too. You can't play basketball in the rain, but you can read a book.
So weather is part of our daily planning. We check the weather and decide what to do.
Exactly. Tell us more about your favorite weather. What do you like?
I love sunny days with a cool temperature. Not too hot, not too cold.
Why do you like this weather?
Because it's perfect for being outside. I can go for walks, sit in the park, and I don't need a heavy jacket, just something light.
Makes sense. What weather don't you like?
I don't like very hot weather. When it's too hot, I feel tired. I just want to stay inside with air conditioning.
I understand. Too hot is difficult.
I also don't mind rain sometimes. If I'm at home with a book, rainy weather is actually nice, but I don't like walking in the rain. What about you, Mike? What's your favorite weather?
I really like cool, crisp weather, like fall weather. Sunny but cool.
Why do you like that?
It's perfect for sports. Not too hot when you run or play basketball, and the air feels fresh and clean.
That's a good point. What weather don't you like?
I don't like very cold weather. When everything is frozen and slippery.
Winter can be tough.
And I don't mind rain, but I don't like heavy storms with lots of wind. That's a bit scary sometimes.
True, strong storms can be frightening. Let's practice some small talk weather. Mike, let's pretend we're meeting outside.
Hi, Sophie. Nice day today, isn't it?
It really is. Finally some sunshine after all that rain.
I know. I'm so glad it's sunny again. Are you enjoying the weather?
I am. I'm going for a walk later. What about you?
I might play basketball with some friends. Perfect weather for it.
Sounds great. Enjoy. See everyone? That's how natural weather talk sounds. Just simple comments and questions.
And notice we didn't just talk about weather, we also talked about our plans. That's how conversations grow.
Exactly. Weather is the start, then you talk about other things. Mike, weather is different everywhere, right? Different countries, different weather.
Very different. In Canada, where I live, we have cold winters with lots of snow. Summer is warm, but not too hot.
In Portland, where I live, we have mild weather. Not too hot in summer, not too cold in winter, but we have a lot of rain.
Some places are usually very hot, and some places are usually very cold.
And that's okay. People get used to the weather where they live. What feels cold to me might feel warm to you.
That's true. My cold might feel different from someone else's cold.
So when you talk about the weather with someone else, remember, everyone's experience is different, and that's perfectly fine.
Sophie, let's review what we learned about weather.
English speakers talk about weather all the time. It's easy small talk.
Some basic weather words are sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy, hot, cold, warm, cool.
Simple phrases, it's sunny, nice weather today, beautiful day, isn't it?
The 4 seasons, spring, summer, fall or autumn, and winter. Each has different weather.
Weather affects our mood, our clothes, and our activities.
When it's sunny, people go outside. When it rains, people stay inside more.
Everyone has a favorite weather. It's okay to like different things.
And weather talk is a great way to start any conversation.
So easy and so useful.
Well, Sophie, we talked a lot about weather today.
We did. I hope everyone feels ready to talk about weather in English now.
Now we have a question for you.
What's your favorite weather? Do you like sunny days, rainy days, snowy days?
Or maybe you have a favorite season. Is it spring, summer, fall, or winter? Tell us in the comments.
Yes, we love learning about weather in different parts of the world. Well, Mike, I think it is time for us to go.
Yes, I am going to the park now to enjoy this beautiful weather. Do you want to join me?
Sounds perfect. Let's go.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye. See you in the next episode.
Bye.